Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use variable layer height in Bambu Studio. So this feature automatically uses the thinner layers on the curved surfaces and thicker layers on the flat areas, giving you better print quality without adding too much print time. So first of all, simply open your Bambu Studio application. Afterwards, you need to simply import your project, or you need to simply import the model. Now you need to click on the model so that it could be selected. Now when the model is selected successfully among the given options here on the toolbar, you need to simply hover over to the fifth option, which is the variable layer height, or the horizontal lines that you are seeing over here. So you need to simply click on it, and then you are going to see two different options here. So the first option we have is adaptive, and the next option we have here is of smooth. So I want you to click on the option of adaptive first. Then Bambu Studio will automatically analyze the model, and it will assign the thinner layers to the detailed areas and thicker layer where the extra detail isn't needed. Now right next to the adaptive section, you are going to see this type of quality slash speed slider. So you need to use this particular slider in order to control the results. You can move it towards the quality for the smoother curved surfaces, or towards the speed if you want a faster print. You can also just click on the option of smooth in order to make the transition between the layer heights more gradual. So once you are done with it, simply click on the option of slice plate, and then it is going to basically switch you to the preview mode. So over here you are going to notice that the curved areas use finer layers, while the flatter sections uses the thicker ones, helping improve the surface quality without significantly increasing the print time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.